Please don't rush into marriage. Please don't rush into marriage. Take your time. Take your time. I have this big giant mic on me, but it's because I am using a smaller camera. And a smaller camera is so I could be consistent. My edges. Because once the kids get up, I literally have to just mom mode. Literally. So, what time is it? It's 6:17. I'm letting them sleep till I'm done brushing my teeth and fixing my hair. Guys, puppy, what's wrong? Good morning. Hi, baby. Come give mommy a hug. Give mommy a hug. Come give mommy a hug. Come. Oh, my big girl. How was your night? Slept well? Good morning, baby. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Hi, Papa. You okay? You ready to start your day? You gonna go to school and have fun? Gonna go to school and have fun? Gonna go to school and have fun? Have fun? Have fun? Good luck on me. It's hot in here. Puppy, what's wrong? Come. Sorry, baby. Careful. Hey. Not feel too good. It's because he has some teeth coming in at the top. So, hey. What y'all want to wear? Clothes. So warm today. You said what, baby? This is Brothers. Your book? You're welcome, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Cheers, mommy. Let me get brother ready first. Careful, baby. You're looking at the camera. Can see. What, you done? Okay. It's okay. You want to get down? I'm coming. Please be patient. Be patient with me, please. Be patient with me. It's just me. It's just mommy today. Okay, so.
Okay.
There you go.
You
Want to get down? It's okay. The pacifier is right here. It's right here. It's okay. Is right? You done eating? All right, let me start loading up the car. Hey, brother, it's okay. You don't want to say, brother, it's okay. Come. Come on. Say, brother, it's okay. You see how tired brother looks? Say, it's okay, brother. Say, it's okay, brother. Say, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Oh, you see, he's smiling because you told me it's okay. Say, it's okay.
It's okay.
You ready to go, Papa? You guys ready for school? Logan, you're going to be something. Look at the way you're looking at your sister. Oh, my gosh.
Stop.
You're so cute.
Stop.
Okay. All right, let me put you guys in first. Stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Hi, guys. I just got back from dropping off the kids. They went to daycare and I'm about to get dressed. Today I'm actually off work. I take off work Tuesdays because I did something that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this vlog. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to get ready. And then I'm gonna get ready, and then I have to clean up some stuff, pack it up, and then we're gonna go to what I want to show you guys. So before we even jump into this vlog, there is an elephant in the room, and as you guys know, me and Roland are separated and we're getting a divorce. I appreciate all the love and prayers that you guys have poured into me. But before this even came on the internet, it's been a long time coming. You guys are just now receiving it now. I'm still in the healing process, and it is like up and down. Some moments I'm good and some moments I'm not. So it really has been up and down. Some of the comments I did get was like people telling me, oh, you guys have to make it work, or you came this far so you need to make it work. No. You see, the issue with why women stay stuck in situations that they should have been left is because of the time. Oh, I've been here for so years. Why would I give up now? No. After a while, I do swallow like everything. But eventually I'm just like, I'm done. I don't really want to go too deep into what's going on. Maybe like later on I'll share. But as of right now, I'm still healing. It is still weird. Right now he's not here, as you guys can see or hear. He told me on the day of, which was yesterday, that he's going to be gone for 6 days. And I asked him, why did you just spring this up on me? And he's like, well, I just need to go away because I need to clear my head. I was angry. I was upset. But at the end of the day, I need to show up for my kids. And one thing I want my kids to see is that their mom knows their worth. And their mom is not going to stay in a situation where they feel like they're not valued. Whew, this is hard to share. It's just a lot being on the internet and talking about this, which I'm not sharing too much. It is deep, very deep. However, the people that know the information or the severity of what's going on are my closest friends and family. And I'm keeping it like that. I don't think it's right for me to even come on here and bash the father of my children or the man that I've spent 12 years with, the only person I've known for my entire 20s. I don't think it's right to do that, but definitely divorce and separation does show you a side of the person that you didn't expect. It's been hard. It's been hard. It's like grieving the future that you thought you would have. But sometimes you just have to break the cycle. And, you know, for young women out there, I know marriage seems like such a beautiful thing, because it is. Please don't rush into marriage. Please don't rush into marriage. Take your time. Take your time. Because marriage is that deep and it is that serious. And we got married really young, at the age of 23. And at that time, you know, I thought I knew everything that I need to know about marriage, and I didn't know. The person that I was is not the person I am now, and the person he was is not the person that he is now. And it's just been a lot going on, still going on. But I am trying to heal. I'm trying to show up for my kids and just being present and being an active mom and not really letting them see, like not see, but feel more so what's going on. So I just need you guys to just help support and pour into me, especially in this season. I don't want it to be a thing where it's like, oh yeah, no, God's gonna put you guys back together. No. It's over. It's over. And it's hard to say, but it is. And I know a lot of people saw our relationship as hope. But I think you should actually look to God as hope. Look to Jesus as hope, not human beings, because we're flawed and we're not perfect. So no relationship is perfect. Nobody knows what truly goes on in a relationship. Cute pictures, cute videos does not show you the entirety of the relationship. And I know I got a comment on one of my videos, and a person was like, oh, well, I thought, how did you go from rebuilding your marriage to a divorce? Well, life isn't linear. Sometimes you get tired. You get tired. Sometimes you do. Sometimes you get tired. I just finished doing my makeup. Something slight. I'm about to go to my next location. I'm about to pack up what I need to pack, and then I'll see you guys once I get there. Did I drop my gimbal? Not my gimbal, but my DJI while I was like getting ready. And I'm like, please work. So it's working, it's fine. I'm on my way to my location. I was surprised to share with you guys. And I've been doing a lot, but I have been doing a lot because I have to make sure everything is in order, especially for my new normal. And yeah, so, well, you gotta go up, fool. As you guys know, I got a job as a content manager, which I do on a weekday, part-time. It's not really a full-time thing, just because, like, you know, I do content creation as well, so I can't really make it a full-time thing. However, I'm opening up my books, and I got I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin it. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm actually gonna show you more than I can tell you. If this video is up before the intro is out, then yeah, you guys will see it. I'm on my way now, and yeah, I'm excited to share with you guys, and I look forward to more new things, magical things to happen. I know, like, this whole situation is a lot, but at the end of the day, you just gotta keep looking forward and pressing forward, you know. I don't think God will give me more than I can handle. Yeah, so I'm excited to show you guys. So the surprise that I have is I am the new makeup artist at Color de Jour Studios. I'm so excited. You guys, this is crazy. So the makeup page, I'm gonna put it right here so y'all can see it if you guys wanna book with me. But this is my new makeup studio. I'm one of the artists at the Color de Jour studio, which is so nice. Let me give you guys a quick tour. It's not a lot, but it's beautiful. It is gorgeous. As you guys can see, it is stunning. And here's my beautiful model. She's here to get her makeup done, and it is just so excited. In the midst of all this chaos, God is still showing up for his daughter, and I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful, and I'm so excited, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. That was my surprise. Anyways, I'm about to do makeup. I'll see you guys once I'm done. Let me show you my model before. It's stunning. The makeup's gonna be easy because she's just gorgeous.
Sure will.
What?
No, totally.
Period. Yes, look at your face. Face card never declined.
What?
Period. It looks so good. Absolutely, yes. Just got to Joey Uptown. We are about to order some food. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I am hungry. I'm tired. The makeup took longer than it was supposed to, but it was because I think she was crying, so I had to fix the makeup. But anyways, I'm gonna order food and eat, and yeah, hang out with my girl Pushing P. So you know I'm joking. All right, go ahead. Say hey.
Hold on.
Put on your glasses, Pushing P.
Cause yeah.
Say hi.
Hey. waiting for you.
I've been waiting for you to. Got nice.
Just put my shades back on.
Yo, bought your shades? Girls. So, I'm in the kids' room and I'm about to pack their stuff because they're going to their dad's in Maryland and they're going to be with their grandma on their dad's side and their family on their dad's side. And yeah, so I'm about to pack their suitcase up, packing their clothes. I don't know how to feel about this. I've been crying for the last few days. I haven't been away from my kids this long. I'm not looking forward to it at all. That's what it's actually easier to move on when you don't have kids involved. But yeah, I really didn't plan for this. I didn't. You know, it's just, you know, you set expectations and you fall for the whole potential thing and things just go all the way left sometimes. And I guess I just will suffer the consequences. It's temporary. You're not gonna be there forever. Just for the time being. Cause I can't do it by myself, you know. I feel like such a failure for letting them go, but it's okay. I know.
Just be strong.
I will, Mom.
You just have to be strong.
I know. I will.
See?
Thinking we're too hard about our history. Oh, you and this, you was gone, you a mystery. I should've never got involved with you. I set it off with you. I set it off with you. I barely talk to you. I never asked where we was going, might get lost with you. I never let you pay for nothing when you offered to. I'll even make the reservation. Who's that calling you? Is that your new thing? That's your new thing. Tell me, are you into new things? Into new things? Baby, it's a few things. It's a few things. Let me tell you, you